Trending ngayon sa Twitter si Sam Milby, Catriona Gray at Clint Bundad. Dahil nga sa pinost ni Clint Bundad sa kanyang Instagram story na ang creepy at hindi maintindihan ng marami. Ito naman ang sabi ng mga fans sa Twitter.
Clint Bundad disturbing IG story remind us that we're all fighting a silent battle. People may see us screaming but deep inside we're dying. Our face may be smiling but our heart is excruciating. You don't know what someone is going through. And always be nice. I think he simply said that he is a great hacker. He definitely hacked Sam's account and found something disturbing. Well, if you guys don't know, Sam had a relationship with guys as well. Who knows, maybe he saw some sex pictures or nasty stuff that he doesn't want Kat to be involved. One of his posts says, if you still don't get it, double lie. It means that he is referring to someone who has two faces living and two lives, like celebrities in and out the industry. Just not sure if he's pertaining to himself or Sam. Headphones can be a metaphor about our conversation he heard, a voicemail, or who knows, maybe he installed something to either Kat or Sam's phone, and home place that he can hear every word she says, or whoever she talks to. Red and blue pill is a metaphor for yes or no, and he is asking if he should tell everyone whatever it is that he found out.
And one thing know for sure, Clint is definitely an intellectual guy. His mind works and thinks differently, and when pushed or triggered, it can do more. I think he is in depression now. He said he's into hacking. He was even caught in it. He's always in headphones. Seems like to me, Clint is listening to someone's conversation. The pills are drugs. May sinabi siyang tungkol sa drugs, the red and blue pills. He also stated that in his circle of friends, Clint is known as the all-knowing shadow. But this one is really exciting and he's not good at the same time. He's so into his ex, leading him to something like this. Someone might be in trouble because of these things. And days before, nag-chat nga si Clint kay Sam. At yung sabi niya last time, how about we have a little chat? Yung nasa IG story niya, may sinend siyang message kay Sam. Sabi, wants to become my client. At may kasunod pa, your rate shall increase after. At may pinost din siyang 300k for a video call. I charge higher. At nga, nag-reply nga yung taong sinendan niya. Sabi niya, hello Clint. Ano kaya yung sinend niyang photo ba yun or video? At may nag-tweet pa, so guys, I think Clint Bundad is IG stories is all about how Kat and Sam cheated him and not tolerate pa ng mga friends, fucking disgusting. Because of Clint Bundad IG story, I did my research as to what is behind of all this. So after yun, I was indeed cheating on Clint before with Samuel B. Hi, kaka-disappoint naman tong mga Christians na to. Kaya siguro Clint's post all about hell and stuff. Why the fuck are you siding with either Catriona Gray or Clint Bundad? You all don't even know the true story. Don't judge Clint or do something to him. If he needs help, let him get it. You are shit. What the hell is this countdown for Clint Bundad? You are really creeping the hell out of me. Ito pa ang mga post ng mga ilang netizens tungkol sa IG story ni Clint Bundad. What's with Clint Bundad? Is he high or something? On the second photo, I think it's Catriona. I hope he's okay. Sa isang account naman ng fan sa kanyang Instagram account, nag-post ng mga photos ni Catriona Gray at Sam Milby na nagpapatunay na magkasama nga silang dalawa lagi. Ano nga kaya ang punot dulo ng IG story ni Clint Bundad? Kasi ayon nga sa kanya, may countdown nga siya. Hindi natin alam kung i-reveal nga ba niya ang totoong nangyari. Kaya kung ano man yun, sana okay lang siya. Sana magiging okay lang siya. Kaya guys, sa oras ngayon na pandemic, ay madaming mga tao na depressed, kaya kung maari, tulungan na lang natin sila.